a little reminder to reward yourself. In this video, I want to give you a little bit of insight into some stuff on my own life, and hopefully that's going to inspire you to do what I didn't do, which is reward yourself. So let me get into it. Let me show you all about it. Last August, I sold my Amazon business for quite a bit of money, and I had also was going through the process of doing some property developments. Well, I say me, Natasha was, and my other businesses had gone through a bit of a purple patch, and financially, things were very, very good. And I had, from the age of 30, set a goal for myself with a guy actually called Dr. John Demartini. Don't know if you guys know him. Very cool dude. But a long, long time ago, I went to a Demartini seminar. And at this seminar, it's a 5-day seminar, I set a financial goal for myself. Okay. And the goal was to make X amount of money within a certain time frame. And last year, start of this year, I knew with certainty that I was going to hit that goal. Like, I was like, boom, I've done that goal. I got it finally. Took me 20 years to get it, but finally I got it. Okay. Interestingly, it was the last 5 years where everything happened. So 15 years of fuck all, grinding away, it not working, and then wildly 5 years where everything just clicked into place and everything just went whoosh, crazy. Okay. That's very, very normal. I talk to a lot of wealthy people. That is very, very normal. So if you're grinding right now and it ain't working, that's normal. That's how it normally happens. Anyway, so I saw that I was going to get this goal. And a little while ago, I had set myself if I get X, and X in this case was the goal, then I will give myself as a present, as a reward, Y. Now, the Y in this case was a new car. I was going to get myself a new car as part and parcel of, like, congratulations, Neil, you did it. You busted your balls. This is your present to yourself. Okay, so that's kind of what was going on. However, because there was a ton of uncertainty within our family about where the hell we're going to go and live next year, we just went to Malaysia and to Bali to see if it's going to be there. It ain't going to be there. We're off to Italy, see if it's going to be there in October. You know, so because there was a lot of uncertainty, and still is, around where we're going to live, I told myself that it wasn't the right time to get my new car. Does that make sense? I'm like, I don't know where the hell I'm going to live. I don't know how long I'm going to live there for. It didn't make any rational sense to get my car, to get my treat, to get my reward that I'd promised myself. It made zero rational sense to me. And so I didn't get it. Okay. What I found was my subconscious mind was basically saying, what the fuck? We just worked our asses off for 20 years, and you promised that we would get this thing at the end of it. And now you're not giving us this thing. Well, screw you, Neil. That's messed up. We ain't going to do anything anymore. And I found myself feeling like, oh, I don't really want to do anything. I lost motivation, wasn't feel great about what I was doing. I was like, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do now. And it was really, really a difficult period of time for me, all over a fucking car. And what I realized was that it is hugely important to keep your promises to yourself, like massively important to keep your promises to yourself. If you tell yourself you're going to do something and then you don't do it, you teach your subconscious something which ain't good, something that ain't good. Wasn't good in my situation anyway. And so I want to encourage you to start setting little mini goals along with little mini rewards for yourself that you actually go ahead and get. You get the reward, okay? Could be just anything like, oh, if I do this, then I'm going to go and take that stroll in the park that I really love to do, feed the ducks that I really love to feed. Could be anything. Doesn't need to be like, I'm going to get myself a McLaren or anything nuts like that. It's just a reward for yourself, because what you teach yourself is that you will keep your promises. And as you develop as an entrepreneur, that becomes increasingly important. This has been my understanding of it. So yeah, as soon as I was talking with this friend of mine on Friday night, and we were both drinking red wine and whiskey. So when it was late, but she's a very, very smart lady. And I was just saying to her, hey, this is what's going on for me. She said to me, oh, did you celebrate the fact that you got your goal? And I was like, no, I fucking didn't. And everything just felt inside myself, like I could feel it, like that's it. That's what the issue is. So just a reminder for you, two things. Firstly, the way wealth works is typically you've got nothing, you've got nothing, you've got nothing, you've got nothing, you've got everything. Okay, that's typically how it works, because it just takes time, and it's usually a mindset game. It takes time for your mindset to start to believe. And as soon as it does believe, then it's just like fast. It's super fast. It's nuts. So there's that. And the second thing is reward yourself. Say you're going to do something, do it, and then reward yourself for doing it. That process will teach your subconscious mind to do more of that sort of stuff. Super powerful. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do and come along and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the inside. Bye for now.